You can create a training session in just a few minutes. Start by clicking the Create Session button. If you're not logged in, you'll see an authentication box on your way to the editing screen. And you're ready to start. The interface is clean and simple. On the left side are player actions, equipment, lines, and text which can be dragged into the 3D window. On the right hand side are some preset views of the standard pitch, as well as a number of special pitches for training exercises. You can choose from a variety of pitch floor styles. They're not just eye candy, they can also be useful guides when laying out your session. Let's start with a half pitch view. Our session starts with a supply of balls, which the players dribble through cones before taking a shot at goal and running around a couple of poles, and the process repeats. That's what we're building up here. Here's the balls. And the cones. It's sometimes easiest to position equipment from an overhead view. Just drag the pitch with the mouse to raise or lower the view, or to rotate the pitch. Same principle. Last dribble cone, and then a couple through which to take the shot at goal. Add a couple of poles, and then the lines. And we'll add a dribble line around the cones. A strike line for the shot at goal. And a freehand line to show the player movement around the poles. Don't worry if it's untidy, the program will tidy it up for you. There we go, back to the start. Then we can tilt the view back again and add the players. First a running action over to the balls. Then a dribble action. There he is. Just position him as you like, and then use the controls to rotate him into position. Next to strike position, and rotate him. And then a couple more runners. There we go. And now maybe a goalkeeper diving to save the ball. And why not? Let's put a goal in the net. Okay, I'll add a few comments for speed. I'll just paste those in. And then we can highlight some keywords. I'm using bold. You could use italic or underline. You can either, just like this, select by dragging or double click a word to highlight it. And then we could add some letters to the pitch to go with the comments to aid the explanation. A for the balls collection, B for the dribble, C for the strike, and D for running home again. Okay, let's add a title for the session itself. Just double click the title bar to add a title and type it in. Another title for the screen in the same way. There you go, your progression's complete. But it's easy to add a few more screens to your session. I'll just take a couple more minutes to show you some more of the features of Sports Session Planner Session Tool. Let's add a screen, change the pitch markings, change the pitch floor, add a player and rotate him to face us. Zoom in. And we can use the object size button to rescale the objects, the players and the other objects, everything except the goals. And you can add extra pitch lines if you need to, like this. Okay, let's add another screen. Rotate it, angle it, and we can change the camera center position with this button. You can swap between screens, you can reorder them by dragging and dropping the tabs, and you can delete them like this. The Settings tab lets you categorize your session by subject and by either skill level for pro clubs, everything from under sixes to reserves and first team, or difficulty level for everybody else. Then click Save, and you're going to be returned to your My Session page with the session you've just created or edited at the top. There you go. Simples.